Okay, so what we have here is we're asked to solve the following equations. Okay, now these equations can't be solved by conventional means. They have to be solved using a specialized formula. The special formula in question gives you the following information. It says ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Out of interest, how many of you guys have your... It says ax squared plus bx plus c, yes? Yes, always. Okay, next thing. You have what's called the minus b form, where it's minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I ask all you guys, no matter what question you're doing, is that you draw it out, but you do it empty. You don't fill it in at the start. Why do I ask you guys to fill it in empty? Yeah. And all the brackets are in place, so there's no mistakes made on the brackets front. Brackets result in bad answers. So if you do this, if you use brackets wrongly, it results in bad numbers, in wrong answers. So this is what we're doing. Now I take any question I want. Okay. So I take question 16. Okay. What I do is I maneuver my ax squared plus bx plus c directly underneath the 16. What can I say a is? B. B is? Minus 11. What's minus b? 11. C? 4. Okay, now guess what's going to happen here, guys, okay? So, what's going to happen here is the following. Minus b is 11. Plus or minus the square root of? Minus 11 squared. After that? 4 times 2 times? 4 all over 2 times? 2. And then, I'm going to go to my calculator. And what I'm going to press is, my calculator is currently in stat mode, so I'm going to press mode computer. I'm going to press the fraction button first. So everybody, always the fraction button the first, okay? Then you do 11. I have to do plus, and then I'll do minus later. So minus 11 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4 all over 2 bracket 2. I'm going to write down probably 2 answers for this. Okay, so 11 plus root 89 over 4, otherwise known as 5.11. So my first answer is x equals 5.11. My next answer, however, I'm going to have to go backwards. Okay, now to be fair, guys, I actually would like you to write down, just before you do that, I actually would like you to write down the second last step. Okay, I'd like you to write down 11 plus root 89 over 4. Just to show the examiner that you've used the calculator and there's 2 steps to the answer. Is that okay? Now on the other one, where we go minus, what I want you to write down as well is you're going to go minus. So we're going to have 11 minus root 89 over 4. Okay. And then your x value is going to equal 0.39. Okay, I did one, so I think I'll get you guys to try one, and then I'll... Question 18. Here we go. Okay, you have the minus b formula. With question 18, you realise that a equals 4, b equals 2. This means that minus b must equal minus 2, because you multiply both sides by minus. Then c equals minus 5. You then fill in your blank equation like last time. Minus 2, 2 squared, 4 times minus 5. 2 times 4. If it comes up as a maths error, it means you forgot one of the minus signs, okay? So then we go through this again, press the fraction button first, minus 2, go for plus. Please make sure you have a bracket sorted. 2 squared minus 4, bracket minus 5, all over 2 times 4, close it there. The first answer is minus 1 plus root 21. Remember I told you that you're always putting down this, you're always putting down the part before you change it. Okay? And then you press change and it's 0.90. Is that correct? 0.89 rounds up to 0.90. I already know the other answer is going to be minus 1 minus root 21 over 4. Okay guys, look again. Go up and change it to a minus. Oh sorry, that was the minus answer, was it? No. Oh, I see what I did there. Sorry guys, I had to start from scratch. Minus 2 minus root 2 squared minus bracket 4 bracket minus 5 all over 2 times 4. And the second answer is, now see the way the minus is on the outside? Or just give me a sec. See the way the minus is on the outside? Okay, so it's minus 1 plus root 21 over 4. That minus multiplies by everything on the top. So effectively you're getting minus 1 minus root 21. Okay? The only thing that ever changes between the two answers is that one of them's a plus and the other one, one of them's a plus, the other one always tends to be a minus. That happens every time. Press the change button on the calculator and your answer is minus 1.4. Okay, how many people got minus 1.4 and 0.9?
I just got 1.4.
Okay, so guys, in this one here we have question 15. Our A value is 7. Our B value is 8. Our C value is minus 2. Our minus B value is minus 8. You have minus 8 plus or minus 8 squared. 4 times 7 times minus 2 all over 2 times 7. Get into the calculator, press the fraction button first, press your minus 8 plus square root. Get your brackets sorted first. Don't worry about filling in the numbers just yet. Now we can start filling them in. 7 on the bottom, go back up, that's a minus 2. This one here is a 7. So is that it is 7, yeah. And then this one here is a 8. You're about to get 2 answers here. First one is minus 4 plus root 30 over 7. It makes the second answer minus 4 minus root 30 over 7. All we ever have to do to get to 2 answers is change one of them. See the way it only ever goes plus and minus. Okay, that's what the plus or minus sign means. One of them's a plus, the other one's a minus. Now, go back to your calculator, press the change button, 0.21 for the first answer. Then go back up, change it to a minus. And your second answer is what I said it was, and it's minus 0.35, 1.35. How many people in the class got it this time?